Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, guys, and we got to talk about crypto.com and what is going on in the market today. It is an absolutely wild day as Bitcoin is right now making its move towards $40,000, guys. We are so close to Bitcoin breaking that $40,000 level, and altcoins right now are pumping. Today, guys, we're going to look at the value proposition of crypto.com. What's going on right now with this coin and what we have to look out for ahead, and measuring the top exchange, guys. Is crypto.com going to be a top exchange? It's certainly a good conversation and honestly gives you a good idea as to what the value of this token is going to be in the future. So let's get right into it, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and look at Bitcoin at $39,300. Ethereum is at yearly highs, which tells me that an altcoin rally could be ahead. We've seen CRO Coin outperforming Binance over the last couple weeks after the negative news for Binance. And I do believe that CRO can be one of the top exchanges. Crypto.com could be in the top 3 exchanges this next bull cycle, potentially. Right now, it is ranked number 30. The CRONOS token is ranked number 30 with a $2.3 billion market cap, which potentially shows me that there could be a lot of upside. How do I say something like that? Well, you look at the market cap of CRONOS, which is the utility token for the CRONOS ecosystem, and then you look at Binance and BNB token, and Binance's BNB token is the utility token for the Binance Smart Chain. $34 billion market cap versus a $2 billion market cap. I think it's fair to say that CRO is undervalued, just straight up, guys. And when you look at all the different smart chains out there, you got to understand, yes, it is smaller than the Binance chain, CRONOS, but it is still very relevant. It's in the top 10 of all projects when it comes to total value locked up. Now, over the last month, crypto.com is in the top 6 of the amount of money that is inflowed into exchanges. And if you actually look at the facts, you'll see that Binance is currently falling behind in that race, actually losing $1.3 billion versus the inflow of $128 million. Actually, excuse me. Yeah, $128 million that crypto.com had. There's definitely a move in the right direction for this token. And there is a massive burn coming up soon where people are going to get a chance to vote on the future burning mechanisms for this play. Now, there is a coin in this ecosystem that I just want to highlight for you guys as an example. Now, I've been looking at the CRONOS chain for a while. I think there's a lot of great altcoin plays in the CRONOS chain. For certain, one of them is Fulcrum. Now, Fulcrum was listed on gate.io just yesterday. And what happened as a result of that? There was a massive pump on the CRONOS token for the Fulcrum DApp, Fulcrum, and it absolutely exploded yesterday. Now, I think there's going to be a lot of upside for this token. Earlier, guys, I was talking about the ordinals protocol on Bitcoin, and I'm just going to use it as an example really quick, because when you look at this ordinals token, it kind of tells a similar story of what I see potentially happening for Fulcrum. Now, this ordinals token was launched in the summer of 2023. Just like Fulcrum, which is launched in 2023. At first it launched, it came down, and then now the bull market's beginning and it's in price discovery mode. Now I see a lot more upside for this coin, just like I see for Fulcrum. Now, what the ordinals is a big play on the Bitcoin network. People are building on Bitcoin using ordinals. Well, people are building on the CRONOS chain, and one of the products that they launched on the CRONOS chain is the Fulcrum token. Guys, the Fulcrum token is the utility token for the Fulcrum leverage trading platform, one of the most popular dApps in the CRONOS chain right now. And I'm looking out at the CRONOS price action right now on this chart, and we've done really, really well over the last couple of months. I expect us to continue doing well, especially as Ethereum is right now breaking out through this triangle we've been tracking for the last little while here, and I believe it's a signal that an altcoin rally is ahead. And I think that some of these lower cap coins like Fulcrum and like some of these other tokens and some of these other ecosystems have a lot of upside ahead of them. You know, Solana right now is a good example. It's at $62, and there's going to be a lot of altcoins in the Solana ecosystem that rally along with Solana, just like there's going to be a lot of altcoins in the CRONOS ecosystem that rally alongside with CRONOS. And likely if they're a lower market cap coin and people are excited about them and there's a good community behind it, they're going to have more gains than the actual token for the platform itself, whether that's Solana, and then the altcoins in Solana network outperform Solana. There's going to be a lot of plays like that, whether it's CRONOS and Fulcrum outperforms CRONOS. There's going to be a lot of plays like that. Now, it's not 100% guarantee that Fulcrum's going to outperform CRONOS, but if the CRONOS chain does well, and since the market cap is so low on Fulcrum, I just believe there's going to be a lot more X opportunities on some of these smaller cap gems, let's say, within this ecosystem. But there is no doubt that the crypto.com exchange is doing a tremendously good job of holding its value. Versus Bitcoin lately, it has been rallying. Right now, we are at a lower point because Bitcoin is starting to pump. Things cooled off after a very, very exciting November and October for crypto, for altcoins. I do think there's more upside left, but the matter of fact is this, guys, we're going to need to see Bitcoin continue to break out. We're going to need to see, in order for crypto.com to be one of these top exchanges, continue doing the great work they're doing with the regulatory approval in the variety of countries they've been engaging as of late. We're going to need to see more inflows. We're going to see more weeks, days, months in a row where the inflows coming into crypto.com continue to build up and up. And we're going to need to see continuation of Bitcoin to the upside so that CRO versus Bitcoin can continue to rally. It's very, very important. If we do see a big dip on Bitcoin, I absolutely expect CRONOS to dip much stronger than Bitcoin. Altcoins rally harder than Bitcoin, but they also dip harder as well. And I'm very bullish on the Fulcrum token. I've been talking more and more about it, guys. VVS Finance, Tectonic Finance, also great coins in the CRONOS ecosystem. Top dApps, top DEXs in that system with coins to go along with them. I'm looking at them all, guys. But today I just want to give you guys a quick price update at where we're at right now. CRO, right now, below 10 cents, looking for a breakout above 10 cents would be my next target. I'd really love to see us enter a full-fledged bull market for CRONOS specifically, and I believe that happens after a 12.6 cent breakout to the upside. Right now, we are bouncing beautifully on the weekly candle off this 8.7 cent level. Tomorrow is the end of this weekly candle. Potentially, we might see a green candle in the next week. It'd be spectacular to just see a move upward. If Bitcoin continues to break out, I wouldn't be surprised to see it at all. Guys, that's all I got for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and as always, folks, you got to remember, it's a long-term game. DCA, hodl, folks, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.